When you don't have a USB drive, you can use hard disk mode, randomly installing PE on the computer hard drive for emergency handling issues. However, there is also an advanced usage. Permanently install the USB Magician on the local hard drive during startup. But it needs to format the hard drive and repartition it for processing. The disk needs to be backed up with data. Complete in 2 steps. Firstly, hard disk partitioning. Enter PE and open SGI. Select Disk Management. Disk Partition. The selected partition disk will be formatted. Important information needs to be backed up in advance. For UEFI boot machines, using GPT partition table, we create an ESP partition of at least 15 GB. For machines with traditional BIOS booting, using MBR partition tables, create a FAT32 primary partition of at least 15 GB, and it is in an activated state. Then use third-party tools to set it as a hidden partition. After partitioning the hard drive, we can install the system. For MBR partition tables, the installation system should be installed in this partition, instead of installing a hidden partition in the front. For GPT partition tables, the installation system should be installed in this partition, instead of installing it in the front ESP partition. Install USB Magician. After the system installation is completed, open the bootable disk creation tool. Select hard disk mode in the selection. Select the partition and find the ESP partition or MBR reserved partition location in the GPT of the previous partition for installation. In fact, both types of partitions can be collectively referred to as boot partitions. This way, the USB Magician can permanently keep it in the local startup mode. In the future, as long as this partition is not adjusted or damaged, still reinstalling the system with the USB Magician will also default to retaining the boot option.